Oh, the ingredients. It is, I can't say all these words, so y'all just have to look at it when y'all get it. The world keeps turning. Oh, what a day. What a day, what a day. Peace and blessings, manifest with every... Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's nygialauren if you are new, and if you are new, I am new too, so stay a while for the journey. Today we have a very interesting video. I partnered with BRYTN Smile, and they are a oral hygiene company that specializes in teeth whitening, and this should be very fun because I've never had like a product like this. I've never had one of those LED teeth whiteners, and so I always wanted one. And so when they reached out to me, I was like, oh, this should be fun, this should be cool. I checked out their Instagram, I checked out their website, everything looked pretty legit, so I was like, okay, let's give it a go. I did take a peek at it, but we are going to basically go through it together, like figure out how this thing works together, and then we're going to use it daily and just see if it really whitens your teeth like how it says it does. But first off, let's get into the hair. Like, I haven't done a wig in a long time, and it look good. It look good, y'all. Okay, this is an ad. This is a kind of an ad video. This is a promo video about teeth. Let me stop talking about hair. Anyways, so let's get into the teeth whitening. The package that it comes in, very nice, chic, simplistic. I guess this is the LED teeth whitener that you put in your mouth. So that's that. The back. Okay, so we're opening it now. We're opening it, slides out like that. Put that down. So this is the professional 3D teeth shade guide, and I guess you are supposed to see where your shade is. I'm gonna let y'all know right now, nobody should be right here. But if you are, you definitely need this, I guess. But this is the manual. Comes with a little manual pamphlet. Let's look inside of it and let's see. It tells you, so it has like pictures of the instructions as well as like written instructions. We'll go back to that. What else? Oh. And it tells you what it includes. So it has the chart, the LED light, the pens, and the manual. Let's read. Okay, it says,
BRYTN Premium Teeth Whitening Kit combines blue and red LED light technology for enhanced teeth whitening, as well as bacteria and odor elimination. Our 32 LED light technology reacts with our professional grade whitening gel to provide instant results by removing surface stains. The soft mouthpiece is waterproof and engineered for comfort to provide a professional grade experience in the comfort of your home. Our unique design is specifically designed for sensitive teeth while still achieving professional results. To ensure the best results, follow the instructions outlined in our user manual and remember to track your progress. Professional results in the comfort of your home.
all right, so then this is how it is packaged within the box. The main piece, and this is the battery, because I guess it probably is going to go dead at some point if you use it a lot. And let's take this out. Ooh. Okay, blue light, and then they said the red blue LED light. So that's that. It's sensitive to touch, but you just lightly tap it and it comes on like that. Yeah. So we're gonna set that aside. And then you lift this part off, so it's like this. This is foam. So you lift this, and then it reveals the gel pens that come in it. On the site, I saw that they have charcoal gel pens, which I would really be interested in getting that too. So, because I've used charcoal on my teeth before and it works really well. So this is the pen, the gel pen that they have for you to put on when you use the LED light. And then you get 3 of them. So if you pull it out, yeah. So you get 3 pens. It's really neat. Let's open. Oh, that's how you do it, I guess. Okay. And then I guess you twist it at the bottom so that you can get the gel out. All right. So now that we've looked at everything, let's look at the instructions so we can see how to do this thing, girl. Let's see how we do this. This fancy. All right. Rinse mouthpiece and your mouth before you use. Okay, I'll be back. Let me go rinse this off. Okay, we're back. We're back. She's clean. She's clean. She's ready to go. Okay, so what's next? What's next? Okay, it says rinse mouthpiece and your mouth before use, and then track results, match teeth to shade guide, and record which stage you are in. Okay, where's my pen? Let me get a pen. Let me go get a pen. Okay, got a Sharpie. Let's track my shade. Okay. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I would honestly say it's a 4, 3 or a 4, but I'm gonna just say 4. Let's do 4. Okay, so let's write that down. I'm gonna write that down on my Sharpie. Let's write that down. Before, so 4. So that's the first one, 4. And then what number are we on? Let's see. Okay, 3rd. Twist BRYTN teeth whitening pen until whitening gel flows to the brush. Okay. Apply a thin layer of gel evenly on your upper and lower teeth. Do not over apply gel. A thin layer is just as effective as a thick layer. Avoid applying the gel directly on your gums or in the inside of your lips. If gel comes in contact with gums or lips, you may feel a mild burning sensation. Don't be alarmed. Mild burning will only last a few hours and will not exceed 24 hours. Okay, so let's got our pen. Okay. Oh. Okay. Is it coming up? Am I going the right way? Yeah, I'm going the right way. Okay. Okay, there it goes. Y'all see that?
Killer, but you only one from the neck. I'm like the baby, I'm not just a rapper. You build me, you won't get straight. Bring Drake to the hood. It's real Drake.
Oh, y'all, I missed a step already. Have my water. I'm gonna rinse my mouth out.
Race, and the money's hard to make, so I bet they on their face right now. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. When he tell the story, that's not how it went. Know they be lying 100%. Moved out of the wrist and forgot about the bed. Now they just call me to tell me come get it. Now that boy off and I don't want no credit. If it was me, they wouldn't regret it. That baby did and now they won't get it. Yeah. Heart is still beating, my niggas still eat it. That girl that look like the partner eat it. Pillow talk with it, still.
Okay, I'm back, y'all. I'm back. Let's see. So it said after. Ooh, this thing is really sensitive, y'all. So be careful. Okay, so it said in the directions to do it for 15 minutes, and then I just like kind of did it, and I didn't finish saying the directions. After the treatment, you rinse your mouth. I already rinsed my mouth and the LED piece, and then compare your teeth with the shade guide paper again to see the results. So let's look at the shade guide. Where is the shade guide? Where did the shade guide go? Did it fall? Hold on, y'all. Okay, let's look at the shade guide. Let's see. Okay. Honestly, I still think it's at a 4. It's still at a 4. Why is it like that? I still think it's at a 4, in between a 4 and a 3. That's that. In between a 4 and 3. So yeah, it's not gonna happen overnight. So, but I'll be back tomorrow so I can show y'all my results tomorrow and the next day and the next day and the next day. It says do not eat or drink for 20 to 30 minutes after the treatment and repeat daily until ideal results are achieved. I feel like maybe after a couple of days I'll see some progress or some results, but right now I don't see any. I guess because it's just the first day. Like, what is gonna work in like 2 seconds? Nothing. So we're going to stay tuned. We're gonna stay tuned for the progress. Oh, the ingredients. It is, I can't say all these words, so y'all just have to look at it when y'all get it.
Storage. Avoid sunlight and store in a cool and dry area to maximize shelf life and effectiveness. Store gel pens in your refrigerator. Okay, that was good to know.
I do have a mini fridge that I put skincare in. Well, I haven't been using it, but I have a mini fridge that I put skincare in. You can get it from Walmart. It's like those really tiny refrigerators, like mini refrigerators.
The shelf life for the whitening pen, 12 months after the opening. Consult a parent or a dentist if you are under the age of 18. Do not use if you have overly sensitive teeth. BRYTN Premium Teeth Whitening Kit should only be used to whiten your teeth. BRYTN Teeth Whitening Treatment does not substitute regular dental care. Do not use if your teeth are decaying. Whitening products will not whiten any existing dental restoration, such as fillings, crowns, veneers, or bridges. Do not use if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. Do not use if you are allergic to any ingredients listed above. Keep out of the reach of children and do not swallow the gel. Okay, got it. This is the caution. That's the warning. That's about it.
And the money's hard to make, so I bet they on their face right now. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. When he tell the story that's not with, know they be lying 100%. Moved out of the wrist and forgot about the bed. Now they just call me to tell me come get it. Now that boy off and I don't want no credit. If it was me, they wouldn't regret it. Let me be dead and now they won't get it. Yeah. Party still beat it, my niggas still eat it. That girl that look like the garden they eat it. Little talk with him, spilling the tea, and the shorty came back and said she didn't mean it. It's hard to believe it. Yeah. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last.
So for this kit, it does retail for $180. However, you can use my code nygialauren25 so that you can get 25% off of that order. And girl, if you don't have all the funds right now, use Afterpay or use Klarna. You can pay in 4 and that'll be $45 today, and then every 2 weeks you can pay $45 until you pay off your balance, and that'll be that. I feel like this is a good investment. If you want to add a little bit more to your oral hygiene routine, definitely invest in this. It's a great investment. I'm gonna keep continuing to do this and be consistent so that I can see the results. I think it will be a great addition into your oral hygiene routine. So yes, guys. And also on the site, they do have refills for the gel pen. They also have refills for the gel pens. They have an extra strength whitening pen. Also have charcoal powder. I've personally used charcoal before, not from this company, but I think charcoal is a really good product for the teeth. So that's an option. They also have different bundles, and they have the teeth whitening kit. Definitely go check out BRYTN Smile. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And also subscribe to your girl, Nygia Lauren. Follow me on Instagram at Nygia Lauren, and follow me on TikTok at Nygia Affirmed It. I'm gonna be on TikTok more. I just don't know when, but you know the Instagram be popping with the reels. So follow me on Instagram and follow my affirmation page, The Affirmation Guru. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.